How to create a custom WooCommerce thank you page. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a custom thank you page in WooCommerce. First of all, open your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, navigate to Plugins, and then click on Add New to open the plugin library. Once the plugin library loads, go to the top right corner and use the search bar to find the plugin you need. Type the plugin name or browse through the available categories. After you get the search results, find the plugin that suits your requirements and click the Install button. It may take a few moments to install. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate, because activating the plugin is important to connect it with WooCommerce and make its features available. After the plugin is activated, the next step is to open its settings. You can open it directly by clicking Settings under the plugin name, or you can go to the WooCommerce section from the left menu. Inside the WooCommerce menu, you will see several options. Find and click on Thank You Page. A new Settings tab will appear on the screen, and this is where you can configure everything related to your thank you page. This section allows you to choose where your customers will be redirected after they complete their order. Next, you will see a drop-down menu to select the thank you page you created. Choose the page you want customers to see after their purchase. This will replace the default WooCommerce thank you page with your customized version. After selecting your page, scroll down to the bottom and click Save Changes. And that's it. This is how you can easily create and set up a custom thank you page in WooCommerce. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.